LumiFlow by the Double Helix duo.
In sub-Saharan Africa, more than 400 million people depend on unsafe water sources. For many communities, especially in rural areas, water may be available, but there is no way to know whether it is drinkable. As a result, waterborne diseases such as cholera kill hundreds of thousands of people every year, with children under 5 among the most affected. So, we have chosen Sustainable Development Goal 6, providing clean water and sanitation to everyone, everywhere. Our goal is simple: to provide communities with a simple, reliable way to identify and access safe drinking water, helping prevent disease and save lives.
LumiFlow is our solution, and it's a water purification and monitoring system designed for rural African communities. It has 2 key features, both of which are contained within a recycled container. The first is purification layers, and these are made from locally available materials. Then there are bioluminescent indicators that show a simple glow or no glow safety signal. Water first passes through the purification layers, which removes dirt, debris and bacteria. Then a small diverted water sample flows into the microbial test chamber, and this is made from a recycled plastic water bottle, so it is clearly visible. There's bioluminescent bacteria inside, and they glow depending on the safety of the water. Importantly, the main drinking water never contacts the microbes, ensuring complete safety throughout.
Existing water sensors are either expensive, electronic, or require lab testing, making them inaccessible for rural African communities. LumiFlow, on the other hand, is designed with accessibility in mind. It is portable and works without electricity, using only gravity to move water through the system. Most importantly, it is easy to use, so training is simple.
The science behind LumiFlow. The purification layers are as follows. There's sand to trap dirt and the large particles, and clay to remove some of the bacteria. Both these materials are safe and locally available. Where possible, LumiFlow can also include an optional charcoal layer, made biologically from local plant waste. This natural charcoal can absorb chemicals and improve taste, however it is not essential.
LumiFlow uses the naturally bioluminescent bacteria species Vibrio fischeri. They emit blue visible light when conditions of the diverted water sample are non-toxic. If harmful contamination remains or conditions are unsuitable, they simply do not glow. The system is completely intuitive. Anyone can understand it immediately, even children and those who cannot read, which is another problem in African villages. As well as this, Vibrio fischeri can be sourced from marine environments, avoiding the need to import or engineer microbes.
The first limitation of LumiFlow is that it only works with fresh water. Salt water or wastewater can produce false readings. However, because African rural communities rely almost entirely on fresh water sources, rivers, lakes, wells, this is not a problem. We further minimize false readings by using a single species, which ensures reliable behavior and easy maintenance. Now, sand and clay alone cannot remove all contaminants in all cases. We cannot assume perfect filtration. The bacteria therefore provide the final safety check. If they don't glow, the water can be filtered again, or another purification layer like charcoal can be added.
LumiFlow can transform safe water access in remote communities. We aim to provide clean, sustainable water to households, schools and villages. If you need more drinking water, you simply use more LumiFlow units at once. By making water purification accessible to everyone, LumiFlow directly contributes to providing clean water and sanitation to all, saving lives and empowering communities to manage their own water safety.